Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Gemini pull. This foundational move, also known as the outside leg hang, is crucial for many intermediate tricks. We will break it down into 4 simple steps. First, stand near the pole, placing your dominant hand high, roughly at eye level. Your other hand should be lower, in a firm baseball grip with both arms straight. Remember to keep your shoulders engaged and down. Next, let's focus on hooking your outside leg. From your initial grip, lift your body into a straddle or V-invert, pushing your hips as high as possible. Now, bring your outside leg to the pole, hooking it securely behind the knee. It's vital to squeeze the pole tightly with the back of your knee, ensuring a strong point of contact. Remember to turn that leg out for maximum grip. With your outside leg securely hooked, it's time to position your inside leg and align your body. Extend your inside leg straight down, pointing your toe towards the floor. Simultaneously, push your hips into the pole, aiming to feel contact with the top of your torso, just above your inside hip. Crucially, squeeze the pole with your inside armpit. This creates a third point of contact, enhancing your stability significantly. Now that you're in position, focus on holding the Gemini. Keep your hooked knee, armpit, and torso actively squeezing the pole. If you feel confident, you can try releasing your hands, starting with the inside hand, then the outside. To exit safely, place both hands back on the pole, bring your inside leg up, and carefully unhook your outside knee. Slowly slide down the pole, maintaining control until your feet reach the floor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.